That almost gave me a heart attack.
Did it fly away? Yeah? Flew off?
Yeah, he flew over, on the porch and was sitting there, was like looking at me, and then he like, Is Bourbon Bounty No, it's not Bounty by observation. No. Bourbon Bounty.
If Reaper bears were made into erotic syrup. Ooh, mama.
What the hell was that?
What was that? You just.
I think a bird was flying in the. What?
Did a bird hit your window?
Yeah, I think so.
Bats in her belfry.
Startled her, man. That was funny.
I can go there.
Yeah.
Oh.
What is it?
Oh my goodness.
It's a bird.
Did it knock itself out?
I don't know. It was one last time, and I hold her for like 50 minutes, and she could fly away. So I don't know about this one, but
It's still breathing. Let's see its little mouth moving.
yeah, she's breathing.
It just got dazed when it ran into the glass.
Well, he threw right in the wall. I think the crow was facing it. I don't know.
Oh, it looks a little more alert.
Yeah.
On one side, I don't know if it's.
Yeah, but it's kind of like, I don't know, man. Doesn't look right.
So what kind of bird is that, Ann?
Sweet
Oh,
creek bird.
what the hell are you calling over there? I have to Google that, I guess.
He looks pretty content, though.
I think it's concussed.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Sounds like my retarded brother. Where's he at?
Well, I love to listen to this at nighttime before, but now I got the air conditioning.
Let's fricassee it up, see if it tastes like chicken.
Oh, its eyes are open now.
Yeah,
There we
yeah.
go.
It's wide awake.
I bet it tastes like chicken.
Fly away.
It's like, what are all these strange people I keep hearing?
Yeah.
I really knocked myself for a loop.
I don't know what Let's see it. The camera is like all fucked up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This bird's
it's
thinking, man, I'm never dropping acid again.
Yeah.
Waking up.
Hello, Himakshi Vlogs.
If I say this will be the third one this year.
We ought to go set it outside and see if it takes off now.
Now it's looking at you.
Hey, does. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's ready to go now.
Yep.
I think it's ready to go.
No.
There, let it go.
Yeah, he's like, I've had enough of this trip. I'm ready to go.
She jumped back like 3 feet.
It finally come out of it. It was like, what the hell? Let me
It
go.
came
Boy, it got alert really fast there, didn't it?
to. Boy, it sobered up quick.
That almost gave me a heart attack.
Me
Did it fly
too.
away? Yeah? Flew off?
Yeah, he flew over, on the porch and was sitting there, was like looking at me, and then he like,
Boy, when you were holding it before, it was like slow blinking, like, no, and all of a sudden,
It was contemplating its plan of attack. If you need to go clean your shorts out, Ann, feel free. We'll wait.
Yeah. Crazy bird yelled at crazy.
I just feel it in my chest, Fuck, it scared me.